unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A cylinder misfires repeatedly due to a few common reasons: worn spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, clogged fuel injectors, or more serious issues like low compression. To resolve this, start with simple fixes like replacing spark plugs or ignition coils. If misfires persist, investigate further for fuel system problems or conduct a compression test to check for possible internal engine damage. Regular maintenance and early diagnosis are key to preventing misfires and ensuring the longevity of your engine.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.